Yo, grabe ang init. So, for today's video guys, we will have a client meeting, no, sa isang travel and tours company. So, try natin kung meron tayong opportunity na kukuha today. And I have a question, sir. How would you know? How would you notice that there are some problems or misclick or human errors in?
We don't know.
You don't know. That's the problem.
That's the problem.
Yeah, actually. And another problem that I notice is if ever someone will work on this one, and then what if he or she gets sleepy and he accidentally remove one sheet or one row? How would you know it? That's
Don't
another.
know.
Yeah, that's
But
another problem.
all the DRs are brought here.
Mm.
All of the DRs. This is basically from the DR.
Mm. Yo, what's up? Ayun, so natapos na yung meeting natin today and it turns out na very positive si client. Though nag-nosebleed ako kanina, naubos yung English ko. Okay, pero ang ganda ng pinag-usapan namin and masasabi mo na yung energy niya is positive talaga and possible no na magiging kliyente natin in the future. So after this one, maybe this evening, yan, magsisend ako ng proposal sa kanya kung magkano, ano yung specs and timeline. Ayan. So ayun lang. At ngayon pala mga boss, no, meron tayong pupuntahan na isang kaibigan rin. Meron tayong meeting with them and for possible partnership din and collaboration in the future. So yeah, though ang daming problema pero I'm happy kasi we are moving forward. So ayun lang ang pinaka-message ko lang, just keep your doors open lang talaga kasi ang dami po ng opportunity na nasa paligid natin. Okay, so ikaw na lang yung mamimili talaga. Ciao, bye!